What's up, guys? So some of you guys are highly anticipating what I have next after the 5-day boot camp. So that was the free content, and I was able to give you guys everything that you guys were looking for as far as just a haircut, and a little bit of social media marketing, and then just a little bit of game on how to make more money. But there's way more to this, and there's way more content that I have out there for you guys, and that's why I brought you guys a special gift, a special offering to you, which is my my one-on-one coaching through my boxer, as well as a bonus. That's a bonus. But then I have my course, my full detailed course, which is below this video. The link is down in the description, and it's really just how you can take yourself to that next level. Like, what's next? Like, if you're not seeing the results that you're looking for, I have the formula for you. You know what I mean? I got the haircuts. Look at here. I'm over here having detailed descriptions and instructions on how to fade and how to blend different haircuts. And I got the mid fade, undercut. I got the taper fade, the bald fade, the low fade, the mohawk. I'm going to show you guys, and these are all voiceovers. So there's 6 videos that I have for you guys for haircuts, and then and they're all like an hour long, to where it's fully slowed down and everything, very detailed explained, very detailed instructional videos. Look at that blend though. I'm going to teach you guys how to blend on that level. I'm going to teach you guys how to get your blends like that, and the techniques that you can take and use it on your own. I'm even going to show you guys how to sharpen your guys' blades, how to get better tools, how to adjust your clippers using one of the 1-minute blade modifiers. And this all comes in the course. So I got 6 haircut videos. I got how to apply or how to adjust your trimmers and get sharper lines, how to even zero gap your blades. This is all on the course. And this is like, this is probably, I'm giving you guys $1,000 worth of value, where you guys can implement this system so quickly that right after you guys see the video, you guys are going to want to go out there and get sharper lineups and sharper cuts because of the process that I'm using. Look at that. That's before modified blades, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it step by step. And look at it. There's no sharpening on it, but then this blade is modified. It has the strip on it, and it's completely modified. You can see the huge difference between your cuts when you start using it. You know what I mean? Like, you can see the before and after of the results, and that's what I want you guys to understand. There's more to the craft than just trying to figure out cutting hair. You got to be able to work with your clippers. You got to learn how to adjust your stuff, and this is all in the course. I'm going to break everything down for you so that everything is explained. You can see that one. Look at it. If you get it right out the box and you don't zero gap your blades and you don't adjust them, you can't cut well with them. But then if you get it zero gap with the 10-second blade setter, look at that. They're hitting right on the money, and they're going to get sharper lines, and you're going to get sharp lines like this, where you're just able to knock the hairline, at the hairline down, and just get the crispiest line that you want to get for your clients and for your craft. And when you start realizing that you get sharper lines, you start getting better cuts, that's what gets you to be able to charge more. Those are the other 4 haircuts. I have one more haircut on there. Look at that. Mohawk, low, low fade. You got the taper fade. You got the bald taper with a part. I'm gonna show you guys how to use the enhanced hair fibers. And I'm going to show you guys how to use the enhanced hair fibers with applying my secret thing that can keep the fibers locked in for a couple of days. So it's like you're going to have to just wait and stay tuned for that, because those are the secrets in there. So guys, don't take advantage of this opportunity, because I'm going to blow this thing up, and I have 40 students already signed up just in a couple of days, and I haven't even really pushed it as hard as I want to yet, because I just want you guys to get in on this opportunity while it's open. $50 coupon on the class, and this is so affordable for barbers, just to put some investment in your craft. If you guys want to work with me and you guys want to get to that next level, I even have the social media marketing where you guys can turn your social media into clientele. I talk about how that this step-by-step process of learning how to cut hair and then marketing yourself daily on Instagram using my viral Instagram video formula, changing your guys' business, your Instagram account from a profile personal to a business account, to where you guys are able to check your analytics, and I'll show you guys what analytics to look for and how to gain more exposure by posting at the right times, and using the right stuff, using the right hashtags, and as well as being able to have, blow up on Instagram, gain more followers, gain more exposure, and build yourself a brand and a platform, so that when you do have clients, they're always just going to be coming knocking on your door because you built the demand. You build the demand through your marketing, and you build more clientele, to where you don't ever have to go and chase a walk-in anymore. You can just strictly stay at the shop, cut all day, and post haircuts, and you can build your business that way. I have several videos, do over 100,000, several videos. And then once you're able to market you, the next step then is the haircuts, then the social media marketing, then it's how I can make more money. So I have the 6-figure business model within this course, which explains exactly where in here I was explaining about how I was able to build the demand and then charge extra for after-hour services, and how you could charge for after-hour services, and how you could charge for house calls and different services, and as well as how you can get yourself booked out to the level to where you're making $2,000 a week. And this is all in the in the course. And then not only do I have, we got the haircuts, we got the marketing, and then we got how to make more money, how to make 6 figures, and there's just a gazillion videos in there, just explaining everything. But if that's not enough, I have this bonus one-time opportunity to where you guys can get a one-on-one mentorship from me, coaching, where you guys can ask me questions through Voxer for 2 months free, and I'll be able to answer any questions that you guys have, and I'll be able to, this would be a bonus for the first 2 months, and this is something that is just going to be limited opportunity. There's only 4 days left on this offering. After that, the price of the course is actually going to go up to $149, and I have a $50 coupon code for you guys called Zay Launch. You guys use the code, and you guys are going to get $50 off, and you guys can get it for $99. A $99 investment is so small. It is so small, but it will pay off, and it will get you to the opportunity to where you guys will be increasing your income, a couple of $100 each week, $1,000, an extra a month in just the first couple of months, and then be able to get your guys' career to the next level of just making that 6-figure jump, and getting yourself to where you have your haircuts down, you have your marketing down, and you have the money coming in, and now you have a full sustainable business that's consistent. And that's what my system is, and that's what I want you guys to get to. And it doesn't matter where you guys are at in your stage of your career, we can work together and get you to that next level. So guys, enroll now. The spots are limited. Enroll now. This is going to be only available for the one-on-one for the next couple of days. Enroll now. The link is below in the description, where you guys can enroll. And then once you guys sign up, I'll be more than happy to give you guys a shout out and a follow, and as well as add me on my Voxer, and you'll be able to communicate with me at any time and ask me any questions, and I'll be there in your corner to coach you and help you with any questions that you have as far as strategizing your growth, and as well as the questions from the training videos. So guys, I'm telling you, 6 great haircuts. They're some of the dopest haircuts that I've done. And then you have how to, apply the enhanced hair fibers, how to adjust your clippers. You got even you got my story in there, where I'm talking about how I built myself, some inspiration that you guys need in there. How to overcome fears. You have the strategy plan that I give in there, and as well as a foundation video on how to create the right mindset and how to choose the right barbershop as a barber and create your ideal business as far as what your environment you want to be in. So guys, no further ado, make sure you guys go enroll now, and I'll see you guys in the mentorship program. Have a good one.